Sabi ko nga, sisimulan na natin. Ayan, magsisimula na tayo. So, my first question to you. Saan ako pinanganak? Sa ospital? Sa bahay? Sa kalsada?
Hospital.
Okay. Ang tama is letter A, hospital. And number 2, up to 10 lang to ah. Huwag mo naggalawin. Huwag mo naggalawin. Wait lang. Ginalaw niya kasi yung cellphone niya, guys.
Labo eh.
Okay lang yan. Okay nga yun.
Ano yung sasabihin tayo? Kasi labo na may ganito.
Malabo na kasi medyo yung mata. Number 2, two questions to you. What is my favorite flavor in ice cream? Letter A, avocado. Letter B, chocolate. Letter C, letter C is vanilla. Letter A, letter B, letter C. What is my favorite ice cream?
B.
B,
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Yes.
The answer is letter A. You're not perfect. You're not
Perfect.
perfect.
I just want avocado no kasi kaso nagpalit pa ako ng letter. I want avocado din.
Diba? Mali din siya. Gusto niya na avocado. Number ano tayo? Number ano pa tayo? Hindi, alam ko 3 pa lang eh. 3 nga, 3. What is my favorite people?
People?
Number 1, si Ate Crazy. Number 2, si Kim. Number 3, my mom.
You mom.
Your mom? Your mom.
You mom. Your mom.
Letter C daw ang sagot niya. It's a perfect answer is letter C. So, number
Dito kasi
number 4.
Doon. Dito. Hindi. Dito.
Ayun na, okay na. Sit down.
Okay.
Number 4. What is my favorite cousin? Letter A, you. Letter B, Ate Crazy. Letter C, Kuya Kim. What is the answer?
Ate Crazy.
Magaling. The answer is letter B.
Ate Crazy.
And number 5. What is my favorite teacher? Ito. Nung grade 2 teacher, grade 3 teacher, or nung grade 1 teacher. What is my favorite teacher? Grade 2 teacher, grade 4 teacher, or grade 1 teacher? What is my favorite teacher?
Grade 1 teacher.
The answer is letter A. Your answer is not perfect. Your answer is failed.
And
So, okay guys. Up to 5 lang pala yung question ko. And ayun lang. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And subscribe and like.
Subscribe nyo na lang ako and siya. The name is, Tess Capasio. What is my name in the YouTube?
Jairis ba natin? My spelling name is Tess space tapos
C-A-P-E.
C.
Okay na, bye guys. Bye-bye.
C-I-O. Yan, bye.